Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the heater relays are located, you need to check up to 2 relays. We will explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, the heater relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Charger here. By the way guys, okay, quick reminder, most people that own that generation Dodge Charger do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. We will recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Charger. What you guys want to do first, open the hood, and when you face the engine on the left side, you see right here, that's the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press these 2 tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So 2 relays will need to be checked guys, please make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The first relay that we need to check, that's relay right here now guys, specifically that way will be relay 40, 41, 42, 43. That relay here will need to be checked. Then you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger. And if you lift guys in the trunk the carpet liner, underneath you have the spare tire, the car battery. Next to the negative terminal we have a fuse box here. That's a closer look, that's a fuse box. Negative battery terminal, spare tire. Press that tab here, open the cover, and underneath you have a fuse box guys. Here the relay that we need to check specifically is known as relay 71, and we're talking about a big square relay right here. That's the one guys that you will need to check on Dodge Charger. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays. Put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.